name is Kelsey Coleman, and this is Sociology 100. The title of the article that I decided to look at was Implications of Marriage Structure for Men's Workplace Attitudes, Beliefs, and Behaviors Towards Women. The authors of this article are Sridhari D. Desai, Dolly Cho, and Arthur P. Brief. This article can be found in the June 2014 edition of Administrative Science Quarterly. The main research question is, does marriage structure directly correlate with men's attitudes towards women in the workplace? The independent variable of this article is marriage structure of the woman, and it could be of three things. It could be traditional, semi-traditional, or dual or status. The dependent variable is the attitude of the men towards the working women. The main hypothesis of this article is men in traditional marriages are more likely to have negative attitudes towards working women in the workplace when compared with the average of all married men. The method that the researchers used was a survey of 282 married heterosexual men who are also employed full-time. The steps they used were that they first drew their data from the General Social Survey. They also used the 1996 General Social Survey for their variables. They also used a wide variety of organizations and jobs to make sure that they covered the whole spectrum of working men. The results were that their hypothesis was supported. They also found that African American men were more positive towards working women. One ethical problem that the article possessed was that we were not told what the questions were, so we weren't sure if the questions were harmful to the participants, if they embarrassed them or anything. One concern that remained okay was that the participants did remain anonymous. Their identities were not told. For psychologists, they studied the endogenous factors which are produced inside an organism. In this article, they would have looked at if something in the brain caused the men's attitudes towards the women. For sociologists, they look at the exogenous factors, which is produced outside the organism. They would look at why the men find the women inferior. An example could be that they were raised in a patriarchal society. I found another article to help me learn more about this, and the title was Sex Discrimination in Professional Employment, a Case Study. They studied sex differential in earnings in jobs and found that the differences are greater if marriage and children variables are excluded. This means that women who are married will be paid more, but that men in traditional marriages will respect them less. This helped me learn that women in any job will be discriminated against. Thank you.